G'day guys, and welcome back to another food video. Now, I'm going to make a simple beef peppered sauce stir fry. Now this is yearling beef that I've actually got tenderized at the butcher. Now I'm going to cut this up. I'm going to do a little marinade for it and tenderize it a bit more. So we'll cut this up. Now, the grain's running that way, so you're going to cut across the grain. So we want flat sort of pieces of meat, as you can see, like that. Cut into the parchment paper. That's okay. So we want them pretty flat, as you can see. So I'm going to cut this up, get a bowl, make a marinade the meat, and then we'll get on to the next step. Okay, for our marinade, we're going to put a little bit of corn flour, not too much. We're going to go in with about a quarter teaspoon of baking soda, some light soy sauce, some rice wine vinegar. It's going to froth up the baking soda, as you can hear. Now we're going to put the meat in here and we're going to marinate it. Okay, once you've got your meat in there, just give it a good massage in this marinade. Now what the baking soda does is it will break down the muscles in the meat and tenderize your meat more. That's why when you go to a Chinese restaurant or takeaway restaurant that sell stir fries, that's why you get that velvety tender meat. You can also use egg whites as well. So I've mixed that all up, as you can see. I'm going to let this sit for about 15-20 minutes, and then we'll get on to the veggies. Now we've got one onion. Now you can slice this, you can dice this, whatever you want, but I just do kind of halves like that, quarters. That's all I need to do. Set that aside. Get onto the capsicum or bell peppers. Okay, with a bell pepper, capsicum we call them here, all you're going to do is just run your knife on the outside so you don't get the seeds. That's all you need to do. Now I'm going to do red and green bell peppers. So I don't need to show you how I cut the other one. And all I'm going to do is just do the same as the onion. Just cut them like that. All right, on to the next step. Now I'm going to make the sauce. It's quite easy. Light soy sauce. I'm going to put some hoisin sauce. Goes everywhere. Rice wine vinegar, just a touch because we got it in the marinade. And I'm going to put some sugar and some pepper. So in goes the sugar. Now I've already put 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, ground black pepper, and there's the next one, because this is a peppery sauce. Now I'm also going to put a bit of dead horse in here, tomato sauce. Okay, a bit of oil in the wok, and then we just chuck our veggies in. Now I'm going to cook this for a couple of minutes. Take the veggies out and then fry the meat off, and then we'll add everything back in. Okay, now it's in with our meat. Now I've got some garlic, which I've crushed the whole heap of garlic and I actually freeze it. That goes in. Back with the veggies, they go in. With our peppered sauce. Last but not least, the good old spring onion. And there you have it, my friends. Just take a look at that beef. Simple peppered beef stir fry. Simple ingredients. Anyone can make this. Let's have a bit of a taste. Absolutely melts in your mouth, that beef. Anyway, like, comment and subscribe for more recipes, and I'll see you later.